back together again. Oh my God, so glad you're here.
Does this look like a sin to you? My gummies are a near religious experience.
Why don't you let me decide?
Champagne, please.
And a tiny bit of weed would be really hit the spot.
Here I am over here. Yes, it's Mama.
You're gonna be an old cat lady, and you're gonna be alone, and you're gonna have to have sex with your cats.
What?
People do it. Emotionally prepare yourself. Marilyn's on TikTok.
Material girl in the material world. Got them diamonds so heavy.
No.
I have a surprise for everybody.
What's this?
The Kegel ball that Marilyn left for me.
Yes, but does it vibrate?
I don't think you should be doing this.
Lean in, lean in.
I want to make a video.
I got myself an obsession.
Come on, Alice, open the box.
Will you be my
Bridesmaid.
What? John died just 2 months ago.
So she got out there kind of quick.
It takes longer to cancel a gym membership.
Cause you gave me all I've been.
Why was Lou so mad at you? You stole her man?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Back in the day.
I couldn't make a bed, but I could break a bed. What do you think of the dress?
I think you should stay away from an open flame.
Ah, same old Lou.
You got to give a little love. Give a little love. Go on, just do
It's friendship. And what's more important than that?
I used your Kegel ball.
When?
Just now outside.
Hey, somebody stop that kid. He stole my bike.
and do it. Give a little love.
TikTok was mine. You stole it from me.
How does it feel?
Is it just me, or do we need some champagne?
Give a little